Hi everyone, in front of me I've got a REALME P3 Ultra and let me share with you how to set the camera timer on this device. So let's begin with opening the camera app. And currently we are in the standard photo mode. So let's go to the three bars icon in the right upper corner. Let's tap on it. And here the second bar is connected with the timer. So we've got three different options of 3 and 10 seconds delay. So let me choose 10 seconds delay. Just tap on the specific option. It is immediately highlighted. Moreover, it is shown inside the shutter button, so you can always check whether you've got the timer set or not. So now let's simply tap on it, and now your device will count down from 10 or 3 depending on which option you've chosen, and after that time it will simply take a photo. As you can see right here, we've got also this additional timer which is for 2 seconds, I believe. I'll show you how to turn it off, but let's begin with turning off this timer. So obviously we need to go through all of those steps which we've taken previously. So 3 bars icon and tap on off, and now your device will take photos almost immediately after tapping on the shutter button. It's because here we've got this 2 seconds timer which is, I believe, connected with the focus and with the night mode. So let's simply tap on it to completely turn it off, and from now on your device will take photos right after touching the shutter button. Alright, so that will be all. Thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.